What's up, everybody? George from PackHype Collective. First episode of We Ripped It So You Don't Have To. Look at that Sabo promo, dope as hell. $38.34 is what we paid for the tin and the illustration box all together, guys. I had to beat up a bunch of scalpers to get to this stuff today, so hopefully you guys watch this and enjoy it. One of my favorite packs to open in the entire world, OP13. Nothing like it. If you have never opened it, I don't know why you are even still here on this planet. If these tins are anything like Pokemon tins, dude, they're stacked. I don't know what it is with these companies. What do? They just put all the hits inside the tins. So let's see if we can get lucky and make this money, guys. We ripped it so you don't have to. Is there going to be anything in this first pack? I don't know. Boom! On the first pack, St. Marcus Mars All Art. Damn. Speechless. I guess the tins in One Piece are just like the tins in Pokemon. They're full of hits. Yeah, this set is incredible. Leave a comment down below, guys, if you've ever opened One Piece, if you've ripped OP13, what hits you've gotten. Let me know in the comments, man. Let me know if you guys like this type of videos and if this is something you want us to continue to do. We don't want to spend too much money, but we will. I'm just joking. We spend money all the time on stuff. But anyway, let's get into this pack and see if there's no way there's going to be another hit in the second pack in the 10. You would think that Shanks is worth something, but it's not. So that wasn't too bad. Now getting into this illustration box. I don't know if you guys have seen the prices on these things. They are out of this world. The market price is ridiculous. I think it's almost 70 bucks. I haven't checked it in a while. If you hold these things, guys, that's why we made this video. We ripped it so you don't have to. You know, don't rip this thing. Put it away. These illustration boxes, like the earlier volumes, some of them are worth really good money. PRBO2, in my estimation, was not the best packs to put in this. I don't really like this set, guys. I've opened it a few times. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you like PRBO2, I'm not a huge fan. The pirate foils are kind of cool. I've never really gotten anything in them, to be honest. Maybe that's what it is. I'm just looking for a huge hit like everything else in One Piece, but Zoro, my favorite character in One Piece. Yeah, the cards are cool, like I said, but I don't know. I don't know what it is, but there's a little Sabo. He's a little something, just a super rare Jinbei. And yeah, look at that Don card, that Yamato, man. Yamato, that thing is badass. So yeah, second pack of PRBO2. We're trying to get to almost 40 bucks. It's what we paid for both of them, fighting the scalpers off all day long at Walmart to get these just so that I could rip them so you guys didn't have to. Let's see what we do here in this second pack of PRBO2. Some of the cards are cool. Silver's Rayleigh. I don't know if you guys can see the... look at this crocodile. You would think this crocodile was worth money, but it's not. Still a badass card, though. Probably go in the binder. Monkey D. Luffy, that's going to the wifey. She loves him. Revolutionary Army Headquarters. Look at this Buggy Don card, you guys. Badass card, foil. I've never pulled the foil Don card in that set in PRBO2. That was the first little one. It was pretty nice. So now we're getting into the meat and potatoes, the OP13. Trying to get to that price. Trying to make it to where it pays for itself. I love this set. Never pulled anything super, super huge out of it. OP12, I pulled a Jewelry Bonnie manga. OP13, I pulled some decent hits. Porcus D, Ace, Leader. Yeah, nothing in this pack. Every other illustration box we've opened to this day, guys, it's like almost like they're dead packs. We've opened a lot of them too. We probably shouldn't have opened as many as we have, but we've opened a bunch of them and haven't gotten crap. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have ripped into these illustration boxes and whether or not you guys have got any hits. I feel like Bandai's sticking dead packs into these things. Would they do that? I don't think they would do that, but I don't know. How would they even know they were dead packs? It's not like, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, St. Thomas and Mercury, that's not really worth anything. So last, actually that was the last pack. This little Sabo, $1.27, guys. We're trying to get to that total. The Don card, the Buggy, nice card, foil, worth a little something. That Yamato, I love saying that. It's freaking awesome. Are we going to make it? Let's see. Let's see how close we can get. This Trafalgar Law, badass promo. Look at the price on that thing. Getting close. Don Quixote Rocinante. I love saying that name. Incredible. I don't know if we're going to make it. This Sabo, no price at the moment. I saw there was a comp on eBay. Somebody sold one for like 17 bucks. So that would definitely take us to the top. Look at this. Boom. 37.34 for a total of 56.01. Yeah.